Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Toyota Highlander. 7-star auto sales, driving excellence, every mile. This 4-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 140,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Introducing the 2015 Toyota Highlander XLE. This powerful SUV is equipped with a 3.5L V6 engine, delivering 270 horsepower and 248 pound-feet of torque, ensuring a smooth and robust drive. Loaded with factory features like a sunroof, heated front seats, a navigation system, and a backup camera, it provides luxury and convenience. The Almond leather interior adds comfort, while the Creme Brulee Mica exterior ensures you turn heads. With 19 mpg in the city and 25 mpg on the highway, it's fuel efficient too. In excellent condition with a clean Carfax report, this Highlander XLE is a reliable and stylish choice. Visit us at 7-Star Auto Sales and take it for a spin today. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, roof rails, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.